So this is the thing which only can clean your headlight cover, the glass cover. If you will try to clean it with the sanitizer, wipes or any other cleaning product, it won't clean it. This is the only thing which can be able to clean the headlight cover, the glass cover for you. So first what you got to do, you got to use this yellow thing, Clean Yellow X cleaner. Wipe it with this one, your headlight cover, and then wipe. This one is scrubber, it's new wipe technology. You got to use this second, and then the third thing, the last thing, you got to use this Protect UV Clear coat. So once you used it, your headlight cover would be beautifully clean and your headlight will look more brighter, a lot more brighter than what it is right now with the dirt and dust on it. So today I'm not gonna be doing this job, I will do it tomorrow, and when I will do it, I will show you how I'm doing it. So